Hello Warriors, this is Miss Ryan and I'm going to show you how to check out a book from our library this year. The first thing you need to do is go to the library website. This can be found from the Riverdale homepage. Go to Academics and scroll down in alphabetical order until you get to Library Media Center. It is currently linked to our website that you've seen in the past. The 4 main links that you may need can be found here. So this is how you search what we have in our collection and put a book on hold. Once you have done that, you need to let us know that you have a book on hold and let us know where we can drop it off. If you are a distance learner, we will leave it in the front foyer. If you are on campus, we will drop it off in your English classroom. Also, you may sign up for morning hours once you arrive to school. And if you don't know what book you want, you can request a chat with one of us. Once we switch over to the new website, you will see this page. So you can still reserve your spot in the morning. You can search the card catalog and put a book on hold. You can request to have it delivered to us. Check out the library calendar and see what classes are happening in the library and request a chat with one of us. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to check your library account and place a book on hold. So I'm going to go ahead and log out of my account. So once you land on this page, you need to go ahead and sign in. So it's just like signing into a school computer. And go ahead and log in. This will take you to our Destiny Discover site. From here, you can check your account. You can see what you have checked out, what you have on hold, and fines. So this is how you check everything in your account. Obviously, the green symbol means that the book is in. This means that somebody did not return it from last year. So if it is out, you may place it on hold, but there is no guarantee on when and or if the book will return. So just know that ahead of time. If you do not know what you want, but you know what genre you tend to read, you can go ahead and click on one of these. If you know exactly what book you want, you can go ahead and search that from the search bar. So we have a long way down. It is fiction. Sublocation. So when you go in for our fiction section, our library is arranged by genre. So I would need to go to the realistic fiction section of the library, find R, and look for long way down, which is in. I can place that on hold. And now I know that one of the librarians will pull that. You can request up to 3 books. If you need more than that, contact either Miss Proctor or myself and let us know. So go ahead and place your books on hold. And then you need to go back to our website and click on Book Delivery. Fill out this form. We need your first name, last name, your grade level, your school email address. This is how we will let you know when your book is in. Sometimes a book may be in quarantine. If a book was out, it may take the student who has it a month to return it, 3 months, or it might not come back. So this is how you know when you get a school email from one of us saying that it will be delivered that day. Let us know if you're a distance learner or in person and what room to drop it off in. Again, if you do not know what book you want, you can chat with one of us and we can help kind of narrow down your topics, your interests, and help you find a book that would be interesting to you. I hope you guys check out a ton of books. We are here to help. Thank you and have a great year.